The earliest known inhabitants of the Indian subcontinent were the Indus Valley Civilization, thriving around 5,000 years ago. The Indus Valley Civilization, an epoch in human history that continues to amaze and inspire us to this day. They were a community of individuals who came together to form a complex and intricate society, established on the banks of the mighty Indus River. This historical marvel, dating back to 3,300 BC, was a civilization that laid the foundational stones of urban living. Their cities, though ancient, were not only populated but also well organized with a level of sophistication that would put many modern cities to shame. They were master planners, their city streets laid out in a grid pattern, meticulously planned in multiple directions, north, south, and east-west. Their sizable houses, often two-story structures, were built with baked bricks, a technology that was considered ahead of its time. The Indus civilization was not just about urban planning, but also about implementing intricate drainage systems. They understood the importance of sanitation, and thus, each house had its own private bathing area and a well-planned system for waste disposal. The civilization also boasted of its vast network of covered drains, which were designed to minimize the spread of diseases and ensure the cleanliness of their cities. The Indus Valley were also known for their craftsmanship. From their terracotta figurines to their finely detailed jewelry, their impressive craftsmanship was symbolic of their sophistication and their understanding of aesthetics. They were also into metallurgy, and their bronze artifacts bear testimony to their advanced knowledge in this field. Another fascinating aspect of the Indus Valley civilization was their system of weights and measures. They followed a standardized system, an evidence of their scientific temperament and their organizational skills. They also developed a form of writing, which, although still undeciphered, indicates their literacy and intellectual pursuit. In addition to these achievements, the people of the Indus civilization had a deep-rooted belief in the afterlife. Their burial practices, with the dead often laid to rest with pottery and other grave goods, reflected their religious and cultural beliefs. They also worshipped a number of deities and had a well-established religious system. The civilization, however, did not last forever. After about 2,000 years of existence, it mysteriously declined. The reasons for its decline are still a subject of ongoing research, with theories ranging from natural disasters to invasions. Despite its fall, the Indus Valley civilization has left an indelible mark on the tapestry of human history. The legacy of this civilization continues to influence modern practices of urban planning and design, encouraging us to reflect on the innovative spirit of our ancestors. This Bronze Age civilization, known for its advanced city planning and intricate drainage systems, was a testament to the early human spirit of discovery and innovation. Fast forward to the 4th century BC, and we encounter the Maurya Empire, a significant turning point in India's historical timeline. Enter Chandragupta Maurya, the unifier of India, who not only discovered India in its political form, but also established one of the largest empires in the ancient world. Fast forward again to the 15th century, and we find ourselves in the middle of the Age of Discovery. This was when Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama set sail, navigating the notoriously treacherous Cape of Good Hope. He reached Calicut in 1498, marking the first direct sea route from Europe to India. However, the notion of discovery is subjective. For the British East India Company in the 17th century, discovering India was more about establishing trade routes and political power. Fast forward to the 19th century, and we witness the British Empire proclaiming the discovery of India as a jewel in their imperial crown. Retracing our steps through history, we've journeyed through the Indus Valley civilization, the Maurya Empire, Vasco da Gama's voyage, and the British East India Company's arrival. Each era offers a different perspective on who discovered India, depending on the context and the intent behind the discovery. The concept of discovering India is not merely geographical but also cultural, political, and economic. So who really discovered India? It's a question that sparks debate and invites reflection on the rich tapestry of Indian history. Perhaps the most profound answer is this: India, with its millennia-old civilization and diverse cultural heritage, continues to be discovered every day, with every sunrise that illuminates its vibrant soil.